too, but beautiful nonetheless, feeling very fall-like.
Yes, we've been really lucky, and even though it's not 70s like I prefer last week, the sunshine really helps.
Yeah, absolutely, Andrew, and we're looking at another gorgeous day on tap.
That's exactly right. Just be prepared with your sunglasses as well as your coats and hats to stay warm. We're talking about temperatures well below freezing this morning. Sub-freezing conditions through breakfast time with temperatures in the 20s. Even some teens out there out toward Ann Arbor in some of those colder valleys. Remaining chilly all day. Now, not as cold as this morning later this afternoon. We're looking at 43 degrees at noontime, 48 degrees by 4 p.m., so a little bit better. And we'll have dry conditions, even with some extra clouds by 4 o'clock and afterwards. Now, those clouds do produce rain, but not until later tonight. We're talking about 27 degrees right now, looking good, lovely as we look at downtown Detroit from our neighbors over in Canada. Good morning to Windsor and southern Ontario as well. Temperatures there also in the 20s this morning. We've got 24 in Mount Clemens, only 14 around Ann Arbor, 21 in Adrian. So cold and chilly conditions all around, windier for tomorrow as well as wetter. We'll talk more about some showers on the way, plus your 7-day forecast coming up.